Hi everyone, this is Anil Chandreddy. I'm a lifetime member with BBT. I've joined the community probably August 2020. And this week I've won the member trade of the week. And I'm really thankful for the family for really supporting me and helping me through my journey. And what can I say about the community? They're really helpful in each and every way. And we really have pretty good mentors. So probably this is the one of I can say this is one of the best communities which really focuses on not only technical but also psychology. So we have about 1 to 2 psychology sessions every week, and then we have weekly mentorship for the technical and psychology also, and we get to see Andrew, Carlos, Norm, and Brian every day and see how they trade and what their decisions are based upon, etc. And I plan to probably read a lot more and gain some more knowledge. And so this is my trading setup. So I have 4 screens, so I watch 3 stocks every day and probably have 2 more on my watch list just in case. And this is gonna be for the chat room, and I have the Corsair keyboard and mouse, and I built a PC which is, I use it for my professional, like my IT stuff also. So I've built it probably it's running on 128 gig RAM and RTX 2060 graphic card. And yeah, I came to know about the community by reading Anil's books. They are really amazing. Probably I don't know how much hard work he has done to put it in a simple way so that everyone can understand it. So currently I'm going through his new psychology book, but I have it on my Kindle. Yeah, so I think many more people can also take advantage of the community and the books. And thanks again.